Hello.
Hello. Today, this is my first puzzle because I have a dress today for my photo shoot for K1 and Prep.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Nana Ama Akumah. And your name?
Is Candace.
Good.
And
guess what?
What?
Mommy's gonna talk now. So guess what? Temu is in Australia. How exciting it is.
And
so I placed my first order from Temu and it arrived.
And the matter is so, and they have like, this is my parcel because they have my dress in there for K1 photo shoot and Prep photo shoot. How cool is that?
How cool is that? So I placed my first order from Temu and today I just want to open it for you guys to look at it. Then I'll tell you the quality and everything. I'm just going to review on their items and let you know the best and the less. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's open it.
And guess what?
What?
I ordered this last week and it just came. So it's less than a week and this order it's already in. That was a fast shipping. It's a thumbs up. All right. So now
we are gonna open it so I can see my photo shoot dress. It's gonna be nice for my birthday.
All right, so now we're going to open it. So guys, when you receive your order from Temu, that's how the packaging is. It comes in orange pack, which is really nice and very attractive. So now, as my daughter said, we're going to open it up and see what we've got. So I ordered clothes for my son and my daughter Candace and myself. So we want to see the texture, the quality of how their clothes are being made. All right, so when you open it, it comes in another bags like this. So this is all the things that we bought from Temu, and that, and this. Oh my God, that's a lot of shopping. That, this, voila! So we're going to put that back. So when you open the package, it's got another package that covers the products that you bought. So without wasting much time, I'll just take one or two things, then I'll just let you know how they look like. So this one, it's so I'm going to open the kids ones first. So this one is for my son. So it's got kids clothing in there. So it's a 3-piece. Like that. That is for Miguel. That is so good. The material,
and
the cotton, it's really good.
Cool.
Yes, it's really good. And the pants, it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's really good quality, like very good quality. I like it. It comes with that as well. So this 2-piece, it's very affordable. It's very cheap. You can go to Temu and you go check it out yourself. It's
That's
that
for
too.
the clothes.
Yes, and I think I got this T-shirt for myself. It has this African artwork, African black women artwork. Look at it.
That's
you can see
cool.
That is so cool, really nice, very nice texture.
And that's my one.
Well, I was thinking this one was cotton, but unfortunately it's not cotton. It's kind of silk, but it's really nice. It's not too light. I don't think it's a see-through. No, it's not a see-through, but I really like it, even though I thought it was a cotton, but it was made in cotton, but I think it's silk, but I still like the texture, which is really good. And one more thing that I'm going to show to you guys is I got this for my daughter. It's like a board. So this one is for like going to school, my first day at school and my last day at school. So you get to write whatever they've asked you to write. So your teacher's name, what you want to be in future, the years, and what first day of school are you going to, and what last day of school you are going to. It's a hard cardboard. It's not a cardboard, it's like a wood. You can hear that. Very good quality. I love this product. And one more thing that I'm going to show to you guys, it's my son's socks shoes. So I got one of this from Shein and I really like the texture, I really like the quality, so I decided to get one from Temu to check the quality as well. And voila, I love it. Look at that. So my son normally takes off his socks or shoes on whenever you put them on for him. He takes them off. So I decided to get one of these from Temu and I think I love it. It's not too heavy. It's not too, like the quality, it's really good. As you can see, look at that. Very light. It's not going to be too heavy for the child, even if they are walking with it. I like this product too. So I think so far all the things that I bought from Temu are good quality. I'll recommend that shop for you.
All of them.
Yes, but we can't do everything for. I think my daughter wants me to show you guys her clothes. So I got this for Candace. Well, this is exactly what I was expecting.
That's what I was waiting for.
So
I wanted the pink bunny in it.
I thought this was going to be like a silk material, but it's cotton, guys.
It has two buttons.
The quality, like, it's really good. It stretches. It's really heavy. Like, no, you get what I mean? It's really good. I don't know how to express it, but it's a very good quality. It's not a see-through. Nana, like, I like this. Well, I like the kids' clothing. I normally go to online just to buy kids' clothing. So Temu, I recommend Temu for you guys to get your kids' clothing, to get your clothing as well. And also everything that you need. I've seen that there are kitchen stuff and things that they use to decorate houses are all there. You guys can go check it out. I'll get more stuff from there, like the kitchen stuff. Then I'll make another review on how quality their utensils and their kitchen items looks like. Then you get to know both sides. So today I was just showing you the qualityness of their clothes, the texture, how good they are, and they are very affordable, very affordable, so cheap.
Mommy,
they looks quality but cheaper prices.
Mommy, they're not lighting. I want them to.
No, this one is not lighting. I didn't buy the lighting one. So as I said, they are good quality but cheaper price. How cool is that? Candace, do you like a dress?
Yeah.
I love it.
I'll wait for that one.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
For prep.
Yes, I love it. So guys, that's all I can share with you today. I'll recommend you to go shop at Temu and get all the good styles that you could ask for. And as you can see, these bowler jeans for myself. Oh geez, I love this. Can see? So bigger. So that is a baggy jeans. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. We will recommend you guys to go to Temu and get your stuff.
Yeah. Your prep clothes.
It's easy to order. It's fast shipping and good quality.
Yeah.
Comment below if you would like to have more information about Temu and all the products that they sell. We're here to give you more videos about it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. click on the notification bell to get all our videos, and also comment below. We will see you in our next video. Bye.
And I like your earrings. Bye bye. I love you and I love your earrings, Mom.